Lost and found. These desolate horizons all about be best viewed with goby eyes that see the other, an otherness, not eyes like you and me, not eyes that do not see, concentric stone pools whose tectonic lineage is 300 million years or so deep, a distant timeline, punctuated by Mother Earth's good geology. Wind and rain, scorched and frozen, patient stone whispering, fear not the sense of lost in space. Embrace instead the starlit skies turning, the spiralling currents of consciousness and energy ever flowing through. No loss, no loneliness, be patient agate. Neither watching nor waiting, simply being part of the whole. Now found for a time, in hand, winking, in knowing muse, giving and receiving good vibrations.